The ongoing defamation trial between Hollywood star Johnny Depp and ex-wife Amber Heard has given folks a lot to talk about. Johnny Depp is blessed with a talent that's earned him millions of dollars in his time. You know the saying, when life gives you millions, buy a bunch of houses? If you didn't, you know now. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to take you inside Johnny Depp's jaw-dropping real estate portfolio. So sit tight, relax, and get ready to pick a fave. Let's get started. Number 7. A 150-foot luxury yacht. Depp showed his emotional side when he named the beautiful 150-foot luxury yacht Vijala Roja, using the first two letters of the names of his family, Vanessa, Johnny, Lily Rose, and Jack. The yacht was said to cost about $350,000 a month for maintenance. He was later advised by his accountant to sell it. The Pirates of the Caribbean star ended up selling it to Harry Potter writer J.K. Rowling in 2016. Rowling reportedly put the yacht up for sale just months after she purchased it. The yacht was sold again in July 2017. Number 6. A French village. Situated in the gorgeous Côte d'Azur area, the 19th century provincial hamlet can be found just 17 miles from the beautiful celebrity magnet Saint-Tropez. The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory star bought the property back in 2001 when he was at the peak of his fame and career. He was still married to French actress and singer Vanessa Paradis, and they had their first child together, the now model Lily Rose Depp. A second child, Jack, followed the next year. According to recent reports, this is the third time that Johnny Depp has reportedly tried to put the French Riviera estate on the market. It was put up for sale at first in 2015 and later in 2016 but failed to attract a buyer. During this time, its real estate value bounced around from $27 million to $63 million. This time around, it's reported that the listing will have an asking price of around $55 million. The accommodation in the French village is a rustic and gorgeous as a setting. The property features the main house and a guest house covering around 12,900 square feet of living space altogether, with 15 bedrooms along with 14 bathrooms. Throughout the grounds of the village, you'll find 300-year-old olive trees, oaks, and vineyards. Previous listings include some of Johnny Depp's possessions, like his art, books, and music as part of the deal, but it's not clear whether these were part of the most recent sale. As would be expected when you own a village, there are several social amenities too. In addition to different residences, there are 2 swimming pools, a covered wagon with a kitchen and bath, a full gym, a skate park that he designed for his son, and a Pirates of the Caribbean themed wine cellar. Wow! The 15-hectare home was completely dilapidated when he first acquired it. The actor has since spent around $14 million on renovations, which included the preservation of the original stone and wood beam structures throughout the home, which alone cost $10 million. All that Hollywood money. The actor, who rose to fame as a 1980s teen love interest in the television series 21 Jump Street, also invested in making over the facade of the property because there is a real feel that you're in the functional French village. For example, the town square is gorgeous and has a private restaurant called Chez Marceline. The estate even has its own art studio filled with materials and paintings. Life recently might not have been so blissful for Johnny Depp due to his recent legal battle with his ex-wife Amber Heard, but we hope he'll be back to winning ways in no time. Number 5. Kentucky Farmhouse. He might be a big Hollywood star, but Depp was born in Owensboro in Kentucky. Despite frequently moving around in his childhood, he holds a soft spot for his place of birth. The Kentucky native initially bought this beautiful horse farm back in 1994 for a sum of $950,000. He sold the property later in 2002 for $1 million, before buying it back again for $2,000 in 2005 as a gift to his now late mother, Sue Palmer. The property is nicknamed Betty Sue's Family Farm in her honor. She lived there until she died in 2016. The 41-acre property features a 7-bedroom home, guest house, a swimming pool, a 4-car garage, and 3 horse barns, just enough to make any equestrian fall in love. The property also has a manager's quarter with an expansive backyard and a deck of sunrooms with patio furniture. Simply gorgeous. The home was originally put up for auction in 2017, but the top offer of $1.4 million was refused. The press reported that the home is worth $2.33 million, but it only sold for $1.35 million, which is nearly half its value in early 2020. Number 4. Private Bahamas Island. While shooting the Pirates of the Caribbean movie back in 2003, Depp saw the treasured island in the Bahamas. Titled the Little Halls Pond Cay, this island was purchased by Depp for $3.6 million in 2004. Depp then constructed a ranch-style home on the island with a 360-degree view of the panoramic view. There are 5 beaches around the island. 2 are named after his children Lily Rose and Jack, and 1 is named after his ex-wife Vanessa. The 4th is named Ponzo in honor of the late author Hunter S. Thompson, and the last beach is named Brando after his mentor and friend Marlon Brando, according to the reports. The island is also eco-friendly and powered by solar-powered buildings. And don't think we forgot that this gorgeous island also serves as a protected area for the local wildlife. Number 3. 5 Loft Los Angeles Penthouse. Like his Hollywood property, Depp's home in Los Angeles is not just one penthouse, but a collection of 5 with a swimming pool and a gorgeous roof. The penthouses were bought between the years of 2007 and 2008 and cost him a sum of $7.2 million. But when calculated together, the total value of the penthouses comes to be about $12.78 million. The penthouses are situated in the Art Deco style Eastern Columbia building in Los Angeles. Depp thought of joining the penthouses for a long time to make it into one big structure. The penthouse covers an area of about 11,500 square feet that collectively has 9 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. One of the many rooms in these penthouses has been transformed into an art studio, and the other has been assigned as a guest room. Apart from that, the collection of penthouses also has 5 kitchens in total. Number 2. 5 Mansion Hollywood Hills Compound. The Nightmare on Elm Street actor's home in Hollywood is an abstract amalgamation of 5 different mansions. Wow! This is where Depp spends most of his days. He spent about $19 million on all of these homes. Reports even state that Depp was willing to form a tunnel under the surface that would connect all the houses with his main home, where he resides most of the time. The mansions in total cover an area of around 7,430 square feet. The main house boasts 8 bedrooms along with 10 bathrooms. The interior of the mansion is designed as per signature Gothic. It also has a huge yard, a big swimming pool and parking areas. Interesting factoid, it's believed that all the 5 mansions collectively have about 35 to 40 bedrooms along with 40 to 50 bathrooms. It's incredible. Number 1 is Somerset Mansion. Back in 2014, the actor extended his real estate reach to England when he bought a home, or manor if you will, in Somerset, Shire County. The vintage property is situated on an 820-acre land called the Somerset Mansion. It's Lord Johnny Depp from now on. The star bought the property when it was still worth just $2.5 million and spent an extra $5 million to renovate the interior of the luxurious vintage mansion. The Somerset property boasts 12 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms according to reports. He still owns the incredible property and makes it his residence when shooting movies in England. Johnny Depp has an amazing list of properties under his name that he's bought since the early 1990s. Even though he's sold most of his homes, he still owns the Somerset Mansion, the French Village and the Hollywood Hills property, which has become his main residence. With all we've spoken about today, it's safe to say that the actor has fabulous taste in real estate. Don't you agree? Well, that's all for today's video. What do you think of Depp's luxurious property portfolio and their prices and features? Make sure to air your views in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed watching and see you in the next video.